How to find your user ID in the UTS mobile application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this simple and easy tutorial I will show you how you can easily and very simply find your user ID within the UTS application. So in most of the cases you can find it without even opening the UTS mobile application. The user ID of your UTS account is simply your mobile phone number without any country code. So even if you want to verify, what you can do is simply open up your UTS mobile application, and this is similar for both the Android and iOS devices. And once you will open up your UTS mobile application, you will see an interface like this. Now in this interface, in order to find your ID, you need to click onto these three dots present at the top right corner of your screen, and once you will click onto this, you can see this user ID section, and the numbers just after the user ID is probably your mobile number, or if not, then this is the user ID that you are looking for. So that's how easily you can check or find the user ID in your UTS mobile application. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.